You are watching tomorrow's classrooms today. In this video, we are exploring the fundamental but powerful tool in writing, capitalization. Let's master its rules, importance, and application. Our objectives will follow Bloom's taxonomy, where we will understand the rules and importance of capitalization, identify and correct errors, and apply proper capitalization in our writing to enhance clarity and effectiveness. At the end of the lesson, we will be able to accurately identify, apply, and justify capitalization rules in writing, critique capitalization in texts, and produce well-structured writing with correct capitalization. Capital letters enhance clarity and readability by distinguishing proper nouns from common nouns, marking the start of sentences, and conveying respects in names, titles, and addresses. Let's explore rules of capitalization with examples to solidify our understanding. Use capital letters at the start of a sentence. For proper nouns, the pronoun I, and in titles of books, films, and works of art. Also use capital letters for days of the week, months, and holidays, nationalities, languages, and religions, acronyms and abbreviations, and the first word in direct speech. Spotting capitalization. Sentence 1 has no capitalization errors. In sentence 2, Mount requires a capitalization as Mount Everest is a proper noun. The personal pronoun I is always capitalized no matter where it appears in a sentence. In sentence 4, Harry Potter, Titanic, and the Mona Lisa requires a capitalization as they are names of books, films, and artworks respectively. Identifying the punctuation mistakes. Sentence A misuses capital letters for house, which is a common noun. Sentence B must use a capital letter for Buddhism, as it is the name of a religion. Sentence C uses capitalization correctly for acronyms and abbreviations. Sentence D has to use a capital letter for tomorrow, as it is the first word in direct speech. Let's find examples of the rules of capitalization. First, always capitalize the first word of a sentence. Second, capitalize specific names of people, geographical locations, organizations, or branded items. Capitalize days, months, and holidays. Seasons remain lowercase unless personified or at the beginning of a sentence. Fourth, capitalize the main words, nouns, pronouns, verb, adjectives, adverbs in titles. Articles, conjunctions, and prepositions fewer than 5 letters are not capitalized unless they are the first or last word. Let's find more examples of the rules of capitalization. Fifth one, the personal pronoun I is always capitalized. Sixth, capitalize all letters in most common acronyms and initialisms. 7. When quoting full sentences, capitalize the first word inside the speech marks. 8. Always capitalize the references to nationalities, languages, and religions. Let's find a few more examples of the rules of capitalization. Capitalize the title when it comes before a proper noun. Second, capitalize names of historical events, eras, and important documents. Let us now apply everything we have learned about capitalization. Proofread the paragraph carefully, correcting any capitalization errors. Then, compare your revised version with the answer key. Let's put our learning into practice by correcting these sentences. Then compare your findings with the answer key. A quick quiz to test your understanding. Choose the correct answer. A. Option 2. B. Option 2. C. Option 1. In title case, we capitalize the main words, nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs, but not the articles, conjunctions, or short prepositions unless they are the first or last word. Compare your findings with the answer key. Here's a well-known example of all capitals in literature. The all caps visually and emotionally emphasize rage, desperation, or emotional outburst. Now let's apply everything we have learned in a short piece of writing. Be creative. Select a task appropriate to your level of understanding and demonstrate your knowledge of capitalization. That's it for now. Thanks for joining this journey into the world of capital letters. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Comment below with your questions and insights. Let's keep learning together.